Deploying drone.
Revelations make clear that El Cardenal is no religious leader. He is little more than a criminal forces of Bolivia. Has posted of his exploits on social media, and he has found powerful outposts on the internet for all to see. The corruption that allowed this activity.
We ought to be able to find some intel around here.
This car is swanky. And there's a bloody condom in the glove box. Make that 2 bloody condoms.
I guess that confirms it's Yuri and Polito's ride.
Even if the condoms come standard, it's a sweet fucking car.
I never could understand that whole thing. You get an expensive whip, put chrome rims on it, and you just drive it around the same dusty times you were driving around before.
You totally want one of these cars, don't you?
Fancy car, fancy suit, still the same street, so what's the point?
Air conditioning.
To death. We have seized the cash from the cartel in the name of the people. We will use this money to assist native citizens in our rural areas, and a portion will be used to fund rebel operations. This is a great victory for our country. Together, we will build a new Bolivia. This is a message from the Free Rebel Forces of Bolivia. The popular blogger Ramon Feliz has been killed by the Santa Blanca drug cartel. Many of his readers became suspicious when the tone of his blog changed to one that supported the cartel. Many readers believed that he was being held hostage. But rebel forces have investigated this heroic journalist's death and...
Alright, now it's up to Bowman and the activity. They'll check the car's GPS for locations where Yuri and Polito may be hiding out.